Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Swiss chard, and this is the part 2 video of a list of food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with Swiss chard. So if you're new to using it or you just want some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. The link to the part 1 video is below in the description box. If you haven't seen it, please do watch it so you'll make sure to get the entire list. Combine Swiss chard with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Or Swiss chard with garlic, lemon, and olive oil. How about Swiss chard with lemon and mustard? Or Swiss chard with lemon, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese? Or Swiss chard with lemon and tahini? How about Swiss chard with orange and smoked paprika? Or Swiss chard with Parmesan cheese, polenta, and portobello mushrooms? How about Swiss chard with pasta, ricotta cheese, and some tomato sauce? Or Swiss chard with pasta and white beans? How about Swiss chard with peanuts and pineapple? Or Swiss chard with pine nuts and raisins? Or Swiss chard with pine nuts, tahini, and yogurt? A lot of those sound really good to me. I hope you got some new ideas out of this list. Take care and bye for now.